We finally got the hard steps done. There you go, buddy. Your pond is clean as can be.
Oh my God, it's here. It's here. Oh my gosh.
Where are my jellyfish?
Oh, it's moving. We're good.
Our jellyfish are here. Basketball season is set to tip off at the end of this week. And what better way to start a new season than add a little fun into the mix? This video is brought to you by DraftKings Sportsbook. They have an awesome offer for all new customers. All you gotta do is sign up using my promo code Cuffaro, bet just $5 on any pregame moneyline wager, and receive an additional $200 in free bets if your bet cashes. I'm a big sports bettor myself, but just hear me out. $5 bet, right? And if your team wins, you get $200 additional free bets. Can't beat the deal. Plus, with same game parlays, you can combine multiple bets in the same exact game to give yourself a shot at bigger winnings all season long. Now, for those of you that are in states that sports betting is not available, don't forget about DraftKings Daily Fantasy, where they've been innovating ways for you to win some cash this basketball season.
Hector, take the shot.
Don't forget, football season is in full swing as well, and DraftKings has ways for you to get in on the action. DraftKings honestly just makes watching sports so much more fun. Now let me ask you, what the heck are you waiting for? Go to the link down below, download DraftKings Sportsbook app right now, and get an additional $200 in free bets if their pregame money line hits after placing a $5 wager. That is promo code Cuffaro. The link is right down below. Go check it out. DraftKings Sportsbook, thank you so much for sponsoring today's video, and yeah, let's get back to it. That would have been so cool, dude.
Oh my God, it's here. It's here.
Can you believe there's live jellyfish in this thing? Jellyfish tank and food for the jellyfish. Everything you need for a jellyfish is in this, I hope. I'm so stoked for this.
Let me get the door for you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Portable refractometer salt. Where's the jellyfish at? Don't tell me they're in here. It's like 1,000 degrees in this box. Nope. What is going on, pros? Welcome back to another video. I was scrolling through TikTok and I saw this video and I just thought to myself, I need that. I seriously need that. So I bought it. It was about $720. I'm hoping it's worth it. We're gonna have literal jellyfish in the fish building. Put all this aside, let's get into the juice. There's no way there's a jellyfish in here. It wouldn't come in the tank box, right?
What the heck is an apple on there for?
That is a cherry.
Oh, God. Oh my God, dude, that was bad.
Oh, that's great.
That was bad.
That's fantastic. Let's pick this apple box up real quick.
Shut up. Oh, it says, oh, jellyfish tank on it.
Come on.
Oh. Oh.
Look at that thing. I'm gonna have glowing jellyfish. Oh my God.
Why does it look so futuristic?
I know. That is the coolest thing I've ever purchased in my life. Dude, where are the jellyfish, man? I straight up bought the one with jellyfish for a reason. You know, God forbid there isn't jellyfish, we could order them.
Oh my gosh.
Yo, this tank is sick.
Oh, these look like they're from SpongeBob. Whoa, bro,
What?
There's no way.
It's a circle. Where are my jellyfish?
That is
Just
the
picture
tank.
jellyfish in it. There's tape right here. You're getting the full experience. I mean, you're just as clueless. I don't know if you're clueless, actually. You could be watching this and have one of these. But I'm just as clueless as a lot of you watching.
They put the little apple on the front too.
It's a cherry, Brenton.
I'm sorry.
Look at all the stuff in this. Like, it just doesn't end. I feel like there's so much.
There's this whole array of window lights coming in.
Tell you what, this does not look easy to set up. It makes sense why this looks a lot more confusing than the average tank, because it is a jellyfish tank. Look
I
at
see
that.
no jellyfish.
God, dude, I don't see any jellyfish either. I ordered jellyfish, dude. What if they're in the box?
Oh, there's another box.
It might be my shoes, though. It's the size of the shoes, and I was waiting on shoes to come.
No. God, I can't drop this box.
It says it comes with jellyfish. That's my shoes.
Are your shoes?
Yeah.
I ran all that way for shoes. God, I was going so fast.
Lots of instructions here. Number 7 says, transfer the jellyfish into tank with disposable cup 1 by 1. I haven't seen any jellyfish quite yet. Hopefully, as we run through all these boxes and bags, we run into jellyfish. The tank actually came with this weird outlet right here. Maybe it's what they use in Japan, and that's where this is from. So I had to buy an adapter off of Amazon that actually goes into our outlets here in America. It's pouring rain right now, ignore the sound, but we're gonna plug this thing in and get it flowing. Oh, it's moving, we're good. You see it? It's flowing. It has been weeks, literally probably 3 weeks waiting on this right here. I had set that tank up for them weeks ago, so it's been cycling. It's ready for jellyfish. They won't even ship you the jellyfish until 10 days after you set up the tank. I waited like a full month. But the jellyfish are inside this styrofoam box right here, our moon jellies. Can you believe we have jellyfish? Over here though, I do need to show you that we put our fly river into its pond. The pond was just super, super clear. It looked amazing when I came back into the fish building today. So I took the turtle out, I put him in. Here you go, buddy. Your pond is clean as can be. See you later, Bubs.
Look at him from the side. That is so cool.
That is amazing. The water has cleared up so much just from yesterday. Looks like he's actually about to eat one of his wafers. This pond is just so dang clear. It's crazy how clear it is. I didn't expect this, I'm not gonna lie. That is just insane. And even through the sides now, you can see all the way to the back. I'm excited to get fish for this. That is probably gonna be one of my next videos. I wanna load this thing up with African cichlids. I'm gonna turn this off so I don't stress our Mr. Turtle out. Flipper. I'm naming him Flipper, by the way. We had so many comments, over 2,000 comments naming our Fly River turtle, and the name I ended up saying in the video was the most commented name. Flipper the Fly River. I think it's perfect. Welcome to the family, Flipper. Time for jellyfish, though. Over the last weeks, I've been filming this entire process. Receiving the tank, setting up the tank, letting the tank cycle. I have all these instructions right here. Transfer the jellyfish into the tank, the disposable cup 1 by 1. Observe 1 to 3 hours, transfer the rest of the jellyfish if there is no problem. So we literally have to transfer one of the jellyfish and then wait 1 to 3 hours and then transfer the rest if the one is doing good. If the one is not doing good, what do? Ship it back to UK? Because that's where this came from. I don't know what I do if one's not doing good. Enjoy the moment when your jellyfish are just... Now, I'm not gonna lie, I really hope these jellyfish do good. I've never owned a jellyfish. I've researched a little bit on them. People say they've had good experiences with them. People say they've had bad experiences with them, but they are jellyfish. So hopefully they do good. Let's crack this sucker open, eh? Hey, Tommy, pound it. Jellyfish. I need friends. Our jellyfish are here. Oh my goodness. They put so much bubble wrap. Please. This is our jellyfish. Wait a second. Isn't that just a cup of water? Oh, there is jellyfish in there. You probably barely could see him, can you? See that? Do you see him? Oh, he's in there going. Look it. Can you see it on camera?
Nope.
Yeah. You can't see can you? This is almost invisible in this glass. We need to get them the heck out of here. That was one, there was 2 of them. 2 of them just came out. Holy, that's so sick. Oh, there's the 3rd one. Can you see him come out? I don't even know how many are in here. They are unbelievably trippy looking. Like, look at that. Do they sting? Well, I guess there's only one way to find out. I don't think they sting.
I felt something.
I don't think they sting. I was just trying to touch one real quick. Anyway, we got our jellyfish. I took the iPhone out because I can get a lot closer. You could really see how beautiful these moon jellies are. There's only 3 of them. I thought they were gonna come with more, I'm not gonna lie. But they are freaking cool though. I don't know of anyone that has a jellyfish tank, so looks like I'm on my own here. This is interesting. I know it says like put one in and see how it does, but it says put one in and wait 3 hours.
What, you leave them in a cup for 3 hours?
That's what I'm saying. Here we go. All right, buddy. Here's 1. There's 2. There's 3. All 3. Oh, look at them in there. That's sick. I just spray painted the back black. I think that's way better. Oh, wait, 10,000 times better. Our jellyfish tank is about to have light. As you can see, we have our 3 moon jellies all tucked up in the corner. They're kind of just swimming around in general. But here we go. This is the real test right here. Ready? On. Oh! Oh! I want to go white though. Yeah, yes. That's what we need right there, white. Leave that on. We have a little remote. We could pick any color we want. Look at that. Look at that moon jelly. You can see it all. He's kicking. That is crazy. Thank gosh for the iPhone. I'll tell you what, we're getting some footage that my camera definitely could not get. Dude, I could sit here and watch this thing just do this all day. That is the trippiest thing ever. Wow. Wow. And the other two are right here. I tried turning the lights off and getting some more footage of them. You guys could just see how crazy these are. Look at all three of them right there. What? That is crazy, dude. 3 moon jellies. They're probably pretty hungry. They've been in transport all day. How crazy is that? Awesome. Jellyfish in the fish building. We have mantis shrimp, arowana knife fish, jellyfish, literally jellyfish, empty tank, flower horn in quarantine, axolotls, saltwater, turtles, turtle, and soon to be a lot of fish. And this guy's actually coming right now. He's on the way. Swear. Yeah, I swear.
No way.
I know, it's been long.
It's been a long time, dude. Wow.
I have the guy for the fiberglass coming right now. I'm not sure what he'll get done today, but he's coming right now. And that's big news because this 5,500 gallon is due.
We got one right there. Where's the other ones? There's the other two right there.
This camera is not the best camera to get the focus on them, but our jellyfish, a couple days later, are doing amazing. And you know what else is amazing? The fact that we are finally making progress on the 5,500 gallon tank. It's all done, it's prepped up. The floor is covered in fiberglass, remnants of it, as you can see. But that was just part of the job. We finally got the hard steps done. And then within, maybe a day or two more? 4 more days. 4 more days and this thing will be fully coated together, ready to put, maybe like a week until we actually put water in it, but it's gonna be awesome. We'll finally get this thing done. Obviously we got the filter that is being shipped here as well. That's a whole different project, but the 5,500 gallon is, in the works. So finally, it's about dang time. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video though. We did get some moon jellies, which is one heck of an interesting video. Subscribe down below if you wanna see more. Check out DraftKings, links are down below as well. And I'll see you right back here in the next one. Peace.